And next we have enum. Enum is a kind of class. It is final class by default. Enum is used for declaring or creating set of named constants of an object for using them as menu kind of items, like for example food items in hotel. Annotation. Annotation is a kind of interface. Annotation is used for providing description and configuration values to a programming element. Example cover on a pen, movie poster on walls. We will see in further classes how to develop enum classes and annotation classes. Next we will discuss about @override, what it is doing. @override is a predefined annotation given by Sun Microsystems in Java 1.5 version. @override annotation is used to mark a method in subclass is an overriding or implementing method of its super interface or superclass. Usage of @override on overriding method is a good practice and it gives readability and quick understand. Note, like @developed, @casting queue annotations, @override annotation will not provide any values to the programming element. It is only for giving information to a programmer and compiler that the method is implementing or overriding method of superclass. @override is technically called marker annotation because it is not carrying any values and it is just meant for marking method to specify it is an implementing or overriding method. We will discuss about programming elements in one line. So we have module. Module is nothing but a package, nothing more to discuss about it. And package meant for grouping classes and interfaces. Multiple classes and interfaces grouping into a one unit is called a package. And we have class. Class is meant for representing a real world object in programming world. We have interface meant for representing main type object by declaring its operations. We have abstract class. It is meant for representing subtype by implementing some of the operations. And we have concrete class. It is meant for representing next level subtype objects by implementing all operations of this object. Next we have final class. Final class is used for representing last subtype object by implementing all operations. It stops creating further subclasses. Final class is the ending class. And we have enum. Enum is meant for declaring named constants. And we have annotation. Annotation meant for providing description and configuration values. And we have variable, meant for storing values of an object and its operations. And we have method, meant for developing logic for implementing operation of an object. Next we have constructor and block. Constructor and block both are same definition. Both are having same definition. Meant for initializing object. It means both are meant for storing values inside variables of an object. Next we have inner class. It is meant for representing inner object of an outer object. So this is the structure of our Java program. Module consists of packages. Packages consists of classes. Class consists of variable, block, constructor and method and inner class. So by seeing this structure we can understand how our Java programs are defined in our predefined APIs which is given by Sun Microsystems, or we can also develop by ourselves, like creating a module. Inside module we can have multiple packages. Inside multiple packages we can have multiple classes and each class will have variable, block, constructor, method and inner class. Subtype programming elements for the above 8 programming elements. module. Doesn't have any subtypes, and we have package. Package is having two subtypes, parent package and sub package. And we have class. Class is having interface and abstract class, and we have concrete class, and we have final class, and we have enum, and we have annotation. Next we will discuss about variable. Variable we can write in class level and method level. Class level variable we can write static variables, we can write instance variables. We will discuss in further classes about the static variables and instance variables. Method level we can have parameters and local variables. And we have method. Method can be abstract method and concrete method. Concrete method can be static method and instance method. And we have constructor. Constructor will be having default constructor and no param constructor, and also parameterized constructor. Next we have blocks. Blocks we can have static blocks, instance blocks, and parameterized block in parameterized constructor. And we have inner class, static inner class, and we have instance inner class, and we have method local inner class, and we have anonymous inner class.